Shenzhen Meihua Electronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2016, which is a high-tech company integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. It is committed to the R&D and manufacturing of automotive wiring harnesses, CANBUS, and frames. Products are widely used in automobiles, home appliances, communications, electronics, high-speed rail, and automation industries. Since its establishment, the company has been market-oriented, talent-based, insisting on technological innovation. Comprehensive strength has been continuously enhanced, and the scale of production has been expanding. Now its R&D and production capabilities are among the forefront of the industry. After more than 10 years of development, the company has accumulated a large number of nice customers and suppliers. With a complete supply chain system and sufficient resources, Meihua produces in strict accordance with the quality management system and has a professional, efficient, and rigorous team. Products are exported to Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Dubai, India, Russia, Turkey, Germany, Japan, Brazil, the United States, etc., with excellent service and superior quality. Meihua was born amidst challenges, facing difficulties fearlessly and forging ahead against the storm, opening up the revolution of China's manufacturing industry, starting the road of innovation and R&D, constantly sublimating and breaking through ourselves, and giving to global customers with our excellent products and above-requirement quality services. Innovation, pragmatism, and continuous improvement are our working attitudes. Honesty, conscientiousness, and sharing are our business philosophy.